Hi everyone, this is my first trade of the day. As you can see, I tried entering a short. You can see the orange arrow on the map where I tried entering a short, but Rhythmic was having again connection issues and it didn't execute the trade until a lot longer. I was already in, as you can see, there $300 in profit. I tried closing the trade. As you can see, that button is grayed out. Nothing was happening. I was trying to exit the trades from all of the buttons possible. I placed my stop loss in profit, um, but that didn't register. So I'm just stuck here in this position for a little longer. I'm trying all of the things possible. I even used the flatten button on the website, but that was just showing as a pending order. And ultimately, this trade ended up as being a winner for the PA account and a loser for the evaluation account, because by the time the evaluation account entered the position, um, it was already way lower, so I got executed. I got slipped. So my exit from this trade was negative on my eval and positive on my PA. I'll mute myself and go on 10x speed so you can see how this thing moved on from here on out. So you can see the software just bugging, entering, exiting positions by itself. It fixed itself uh, shortly, but yeah, this was the first trade. So now in my second trade, I entered a long from the VWAP, a stop loss below those lows, and I targeted the New York VWAP. This was a quick scalp. We were just ranging, so I'm going to speed up this as well, so you don't have to wait. So I forgot to mention, you can already see that I stopped copy trading my PA with my evaluation account. From now on, this is trading with my eval account. I'll let you know when I start trading the PA again. This is another VWAP long. This trade did not play out like the last one. I'm going to get stopped out. Now in this trade, I was trying to short because we were pushing lower on the ES and we broke below VWAP, we broke below the EMA of the cumulative delta, and this was a good trade. I entered on momentum. I was trying to target the value area low. You'll see that the value area is shifting, so I changed my take profit 2 times. This trade is also a winner. At this point, I'm $300-400 in profit on my evaluation account. So the day started pretty good. I was $80 in profit on my PA and $400 in profit on my eval. So until now, everything looks fine. I'll speed up so you can see the rest of the video quickly. This is a very aggressive trade based on momentum. I was seeing ES pushing lower with big selling orders coming in. The tape was flashing red, so we just broke below the daily open level and we had some negative momentum with this trade. So that's why you can see me here moving the stop loss to break even, because I didn't want to risk a reversal trade in this a reversal move in this position. So I will go in profit for $150. But this is the thing with me and trend trades. If I don't have a good entry and a set TP and stop loss, I just end up choking the trade. So you can see I left on the table those $150 that I was in profit. So now, a few minutes later, I see the ATMA lining up with the daily open, and I think this is a lovely trade. So I just figure, yeah, let me just enter here again, and I'll place my stop loss, a mental stop loss, just above the ATMA. If we start closing and building value above the daily open, that's a sign that I need to get out and maybe switch bias. But at this point, I was trying to target the previous day value at a high level. You can see there. I won't hit that level, and at the same time, I was looking at the ES, you'll see shortly, and I enter a similar trade on the ES. This trade I will close for a partial profit. I won't hit my TP, and on the ES, I'll let you see what happens.
Order filled.
So this is how the ES chart was looking. You can see here that we backtested the ATMA as well. A little bit different, but much more bearish than the NQ, which was fighting with the CVD EMA to flip it or gain acceptance above it, but ES was below it for a long, long time. So you will see as I speed up the video what happens. So this is the clip sped up. You'll see shortly that we get the rejection I was looking for both on ES and NQ, and on the NQ I saw that I was close to $200 in profit. I closed the trade. I'm still trading on the eval. This is also an evaluation trade. You can see here that I went in profit for approximately close to $400 at one point, and I was just trying to hold it until we hit that previous day value high. Unfortunately, let me just recap with this. I closed the NQ trade for profit, and you can see here I was in really nice profit, but uh, I kept my stop loss above the highs, and now I was seeing that the 24 EMA was lining up, and I just wanted to enter another trade there because I thought that we had so much selling pressure until the downside. I wasn't thinking that this was the place where price would reverse, but this was the place where price put in the low for the that part of the day. So I ended up being stopped here. So from a $400 positive position, I ended up losing that trade. So now this is the next trade. You can see that after a couple of minutes, I was still trying to get in this trade because I thought my trading idea wasn't invalidated, but the market wasn't as clear, or I wasn't as capable of interpreting the market at this point. So I was stuck in my bias. I increased my position size. As you can see, my risk went off the door here, out of the door, and yeah, I ended up losing my daily limit loss, or reaching my daily limit loss with this trade for my evaluation account. And after this, I will start trading on the PA. But I was in profit on the evaluation account for about, I don't even know. I think I was uh, above my daily goal of $400. But I didn't stop here. I wasn't even thinking of stopping, so that's a big mistake that I did not consider when starting trading today. That I would overtrade like this and risk blowing the or hitting my daily limit loss. And yeah, that's one of the risks that you have to take into account. You can see here that I was not seeing the strength that I wanted to see in this move, and I was still in the trade. At this point, I'm really vexed because the other trade stopped me out because I was in such a large profit, and I didn't manage to get anything out of the trade, but just a loss. So yeah, this is the point where I lose the eval. So I hit my daily limit loss and the account auto liquidated. So you can see here, this is a trade taken on the PA account. So now I started trading the PA account. Let's see how this unfolds. So at this point I'm tilted. You can see that I entered this short, it wasn't playing out, I was still holding my bias, but in this next trade on the NQ, one second. Yeah, on this trade on the NQ, I started switching bias to long. I entered a 3 contract long
Order
position.
cancelled.
Again, my risk management was out of the door at this point. I was trading without a clear
Order filled.
entry, so that's why I'm choking the trades.
Order filled.
Right now, I entered again. I wanted to see higher,
Order cancelled.
but the market was
Order
nearing
cancelled.
lunchtime, so price was just chopping around, and I'm just choking trades here, not doing much, not winning much. I wanted to grab $100 quick, but I
Order
wasn't
filled.
decisive enough, so I got stopped at break
Order
even.
filled.
So you can see from
Order
this
placed.
point onward, I'm just not trading well, not trading well at all. I'm entering in a really tight time span of time, so not a long time passes, and I'm entering in bad areas in the chart where price is just chopping around. I don't have clear invalidation. This is bad trading here, but I'm tilted. I'm yeah, just in a bad mental space at this point and stacking losses.
Order
Um,
cancelled. Order
yeah,
placed.
one after the other. My position size is also really big for this type
Order
of trading
cancelled.
and for the remaining daily loss limit that I have left. In the account, you can see I use pretty big position, but I'm just like entering and losing, and yeah, that's how I finish the day. So at the end of the day, I just want to show you
Order
how
filled.
I ended the day. I'll switch to the Rhythmic Trader Pro in a quick second, and I'll show you how I ended the day with both accounts. As you can see, I lost on the evaluation account for 100 and I lost on the PA over $500. Bad trading, but yeah, moving forward tomorrow hopefully is gonna be a better day. Thanks for watching.